Ever wondered why some beards look so majestic while others seem a bit lackluster? The secret lies in proper grooming. Today we delve into the world of beard grooming techniques, breaking it down step by step for a beard that's worthy of a second glance. First off, it's essential to understand that beard grooming is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process, much like maintaining a garden. Just as a garden needs regular watering, weeding and pruning, so does a beard. So, where do we start? With washing, of course. Just like the hair on your head, your beard needs regular washing. But be careful, don't use just any shampoo. Regular shampoos can strip the natural oils from your beard, leaving it dry and brittle. Use a beard shampoo or beard wash instead. These are specially formulated to clean your beard without stripping it of its natural oils. Once your beard is clean, it's time to move on to step 2, conditioning. Conditioning a beard is just as important as conditioning hair. It softens the beard and makes it easier to manage. You can use a beard conditioner or a beard oil for this step. Both work excellently to nourish and soften the beard. Now that your beard is clean and conditioned, it's time to trim. Trimming should be a regular part of your beard grooming routine. It helps to maintain the shape of your beard and keeps it looking neat and tidy. Use a good quality beard trimmer for this purpose. Start by combing your beard to remove any tangles, then trim in the direction of hair growth. Once you've trimmed your beard, it's time to style it. Beard balm is a great tool for this purpose. It helps to hold your beard in place and gives it a nice shine. To use, take a small amount of balm. Rub it between your palms to warm it up, then apply it to your beard. Comb through your beard to distribute the balm evenly. Finally, it's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet, drinking plenty of water, and getting regular exercise can all contribute to a healthier, fuller beard. To sum up, beard grooming is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. It's about taking care of yourself and presenting the best version of you to the world. So remember, wash with a beard shampoo, condition with a beard oil or conditioner, trim regularly, style with a beard balm, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to a beard that's not just good looking, but also healthy and strong. So go forth, gentlemen, and groom those beards with pride and care. Because a well-groomed beard is not just a fashion statement, it's a symbol of self-care and respect. And remember, a beard is not just facial hair, it's a way of life.